Welcome to Lesson 1 of the Installing WordPress from Scratch course. My name is Heidi Mueller and I will be your instructor throughout the course. We will be hosting our WordPress website at ehosting.ca, a Canadian web host company. They do have a quick install option for WordPress. However, we will be doing the installation ourselves from scratch. We have already set up a hosting account with eHosting, so let's log in and see what we've got. So I'll jump across. There it is. So I've logged in and I've got more than one website on this account. The one I'm working with for our course is lightheartedlimericks.com. So let's change to that. So we are now managing our website lightheartedlimericks.com. So what we've got here are a number of things that we could look at, but of interest to us in particular is database management, because WordPress requires a database. And if we look under MySQL admin, you'll see that we have two databases, and here is the username and password. So let's see how that works. If we didn't install it ourselves from scratch, we could have used WordPress install. It's their quick install, but we have opted to use the one from scratch. Now, what is very useful is to capture our information in a little notepad file. So I'm pulling that in, and we'll scroll down. We have those items that we want. I'll put that there. And also the database name. Database name. We want that, so I'll use the first one. Put it there. Okay, so now we have that handy. We can copy and paste as we go along. The second item that we need is FileZilla, which is an FTP program. We need that to copy the files from our local machine to the server at eHosting. I have FileZilla already set up because I use it a lot. If you're not sure how to install and set up FileZilla, there are many tutorials on YouTube, like this one here, which we can go and have a look at. Basically, you go to YouTube and you get
Celebrate the new year with the Monoprice New Year New Gear Sale.
FileZilla is available
and there you have a tutorial on how to set it up. Okay, what we need is WordPress. Before we do that, another useful tip is to create a folder specifically for your website. In my own case, I go to my documents, and over there I have my webs, and in that folder, create a folder for each website that I'm working on. Now I'm going to work on Lighthearted Limericks. Here we go. So I've created a folder. It's empty at the moment, but that's where we're going to put all our files locally. So keep that in mind. We'll go to wordpress.org and we say we want to download the latest one. So I'll click on the button, click on it, and it says, do you want to open or save? I will save, and I'll make sure it goes into my downloads folder, WordPress 3.8 zip. So it does a quick security scan. Okay, it has downloaded. So we can go and have a look to see if it is there. Sure enough, there it is. Next we need to extract it. So we'll just extract it where it is. That takes a few seconds because it's quite large, 19 megabytes. So while that is happening, we can look at FileZilla. Just drag it a little bit. This is FileZilla. It has two parts. This part shows you the local files, and this part shows you the files on the server. So I've set up a gazillion accounts, but the one I'm going to work with is Light-Hearted Limericks. It goes churn, churn, churn. And here we go. We can see the local site will be at mywebs, lightheartedlimericks.com. And on this server it'll go to lightheartedlimericks.com/www. In that folder, the World Wide Web folder, will be all of my files from WordPress eventually. So our job is to put them in our local folder, do some initial setup, and then copy them all over to here. Let's see how far it's gotten with unzipping it. Okay. So it's created a folder, WordPress, and there are all the files making up WordPress. That's as far as we'll go in this lesson. The next lesson we will work with the configuration file, which is here. But for now, notice that WordPress isn't just a single thing, but it has several folders and a whole host of files. We will look at all of those as we go, but for now, that's as far as we'll go in Lesson 1. Lesson 2, we'll take and tackle our config file.